Hello friends, Assalamu alaikum. I hope everyone is doing well. May Almighty Allah bless you all. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Decor. In this channel, we create decoration videos just for you. And we upload videos every day, so stay connected with us and watch all our previous videos. Thank you. Like this video and subscribe my channel. So as you all know, different people have different choices. In this channel, we upload different types of decoration designs. In this video, I have bring you some beautiful, stunning, fantastic peacock wall designs for your sweet home. So don't skip this video, because if you skip, you won't be able to see these fancy designs which I have bring you today. These designs are very fancy. I hope everyone will love these designs. So that's it for today. I will be back with new decoration ideas very soon. Share this video with your friends and loved ones. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for new latest videos. Thank you. Goodbye friends. Take good care of yourself and family members. Allah Hafiz.